Happy holidays! It's your girl Shanice, and today we'll be unboxing a couple of my Christmas gifts because I was gifted a couple things, so why not unwrap them together? Yes, like I couldn't leave you guys out of this. So where do I start? Let's start with this big one, shall we? It's nicely wrapped, I must say. So it's a bit heavy. This one is from Zaddy, and what is it? It is a smart cleaner. What do you call them? So here again, a Roomba or something like that. Roomba. I could not know. So it's like a smart cleaner, guys. So it does like the mopping, carpet tiles, everything. This is definitely gonna come in handy because you know UNWRAP is super busy, so I would love if something else take it over the cleaning. So I love that for me. This is gift number one. Number two is this looks like something that I need for one of my businesses. So this is like something I had in my cart ages ago, and this is actually transfer tape for you know, printing and stuff like that. So this is definitely gonna come in handy for that. Thank you. I already have a Cricut that I got, I think it was the year before last, I got for Christmas. So I'm getting accessories and stuff to go along with my Cricut, and I love that for me. Moving on, this is like more Cricut stuff. I've been trying to like up my game as it pertains to like print on demand stuff or even customization in general. If you know me, I'm very extra at times, so I love to customize even robes and stuff for my business. So yes, this is another addition to my collection. This is a board. It's a printing mat, actually, a Cricut mat. I have one already, but it kind of lost its stickiness, so it has been like hell to use. So I'm super happy that I got a new one. Love it. Boom. What is this? So this is a migraine relief cap. I'm assuming he's tired of me complaining about headaches. I'm tired of me complaining about headaches. So this is so sweet. Aww. Thoughtful and useful gifts is all a girl needs. So this will definitely come in handy because I do suffer from migraine every now and again, or every day in something that hurt me. So I'm definitely down to trying this out and see if it works. If you suffer from migraines, guys, keep posted. I'll let you know how well this works as it pertains to, you know, eradicating any kind of, but it says neck pain relief as well, migraine, and sleeping and relaxing. So do I sleep with this on? Cold and hot therapy. We're gonna try it out and let you guys know. So yeah, next up, that's all the gifts. love them. Thank you. Next up, more household stuff. Like at this age, this is all I want, right? We need a robot. You know the robot in Jetsons? What the robot did there again? We need one of them some there to come cook, clean, wash, everything. So this is actually an electric spin scrubber. Like as I say, anything will help with the cleaning, I am down for. So this is mainly for like the bathroom, car, and kitchen. So that's the three purposes that it states. It's definitely going to come in handy. Love that for me. And the rest of the gifts. So this is something else from Amazon. Never get for wrap because, well, why never get for wrap? Company take it up. I accidentally took it up. This is from Amazon. So this is called the Orochimaru's or the Jesus sandals. So cute. Love it. I had one before, but then got wrecked. And it was my favorite pair of sandals. So just jumping at them and go everywhere. So, you know, we love a thoughtful man that noticed that my previous Orochimaru's were like dismal. Like they just don't know. So I got a new pair and I love them. Thank you. Next we have, guys, I think this is a gift to myself or to my younger self. It's something that I've always wanted when I was a kid, but I didn't get. My mother never got it for me, nobody never get it for me. So as an adult, all the gifts that we wanted as a child, all the places we want to go, we're gonna take ourselves and we're gonna buy ourselves all of that, okay? Because we got our money now. So this is actually a karaoke machine. It's like a mini karaoke machine. It's so cute. If you know me, I'm always a sing and I love karaoke. I've always wanted a karaoke machine. The girl is a closeted pop star, so I shall be having karaoke nights. You hear that? So ready up for the karaoke nights because we're gonna be singing. And it has 2 mics. I know the boys are gonna love this, especially Jabby. So I kind of got it for us, so you know we can have a little fun. Super cute. It'll be my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested. I love it. Moving on. Next gifts. One of them can see is skincare. So this is Zoe Skin. Guys, we can't even tell you where I'm here. But over there, give me some eye. So this is basically a birthday / Christmas gift because it was on my birthday wish list, and because of various reasons which I shall not name, right, it just wasn't that thing. But now it's the end of 2024, your girl is in her skin bag, and for 2025 I'm on my skincare journey. As you guys know, I started my journey a couple months ago and it has been going great so far. My skin is in like one of the best shapes I've ever seen it in, and I think that this will definitely help. It has so many things in it. It has a cleanser, exfoliating polish, like so many things, complexion renewal pads. I'm loving this, and I remember when I saw this brand on, I think it was Instagram, I was like, I need to try this. The ratings or the reviews were pretty good, so I added it to my wish list and I got it. So look out for some new skincare. So look out for some new skincare routine on my YouTube channel, of course, at Shanice Jody, and feel free to head on over and subscribe for all the goodness to come. See, we got skincare, we got business stuff, we got a little fashion in there, we have household stuff, and we have one more gift to go. Hi. Hi, my love. This is pretty heavy. Do not come over here. Okay. Go and get some clothes. And last but not least, this is a big girl birthday gift. And this is something that I've wanted since forever, right? Forever. And New Year calls for, you know, a little leveling up. So your girl finally got a digital camera. Love it. You know, we have always filmed on our phones, and I mean, I was good with that, but finally have a camera now to film on. So yeah, this is the ZVE10. Heard wonderful things about it, so I had to get it, right? And it has like all of the different accessories here. So you have a microphone, I have SD cards. What else? You want a microphone? Go put on some clothes, and this is the lens for it, guys. I have so many different accessories here that's just gonna up my content creation game and my YouTube game in general. So this is the tripod, and I think this is my favorite gift so far. I am loving it because, as I said, it's something I've always wanted. It's something that's going to, you know, help me on my YouTube journey because, you know, your girl is back on YouTube. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little Christmas gift unboxing / unwrapping, and I'm just wishing you all a wonderful holiday. We're just looking forward to a prosperous and successful, blessed 2025. I hope you guys got everything that you wish for. It may not be like physical gifts, it may just be, you know, being able to spend time with family, your loved ones, whatever that is. And I'm just wishing you all a prosperous new year when it comes, and I'll see you in 2025. Goodbye.